Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to our guide on making your tea not just delicious, but also incredibly healthy. Many people enjoy tea, but few realize how simple adjustments can significantly boost its wellness properties. We will explore selecting the right. Brewing your tea correctly is crucial for extracting its beneficial compounds without bitterness. Always start with fresh, filtered water, as its quality directly impacts flavor and health benefits. For delicate green teas, aim for a water temperature of about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, steeping for 2 to 3 minutes. Black teas, being more robust, prefer hotter water around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, steeped for 3 to 5 minutes. Proper brewing ensures you get the most from every leaf. Beyond the tea leaves themselves, certain natural additions can significantly amplify your tea's health benefits. A fresh squeeze of lemon, for instance, can increase the absorption of antioxidants by up to 13 times. Adding a slice of fresh ginger provides powerful anti-inflammatory effects, soothing your body. A dash of cinnamon not only adds a warm flavor, but also helps in regulating blood sugar levels. These simple additions turn your tea into a powerhouse of wellness. To truly integrate healthy tea into your lifestyle, consider mindful consumption. Aim for 2 to 3 cups of tea daily to reap consistent health benefits. It is wise to avoid drinking tea immediately after meals, as certain compounds can interfere with iron absorption. Always listen to your body. Some teas might be more suitable for morning energy, while others are perfect for evening relaxation. Choosing teas that align with your personal needs ensures a truly beneficial experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.